Hello everybody, welcome back to Lion Bull Academy. Today we continue as basic course and we're gonna start learning about the platform of Etoro. We cannot continue with the analysis technique and the strategies before we at least know how it's work the Etoro platform. I was thinking to make one video complete Etoro platform, but now I think it's better to do it short videos. Okay, short, they're gonna be also a little bit longer, but explain each part of the platform. So let's start. After you looking in the lection one, that if you still don't see, I will put at the end of the video the link to the lection one for you can easily click there and know how to register in eToro, explain step by step, and you have down below in the description the link to register. After you register and everything like we show in the video number one, let's now explain the eToro platform. So let's you open the eToro platform which show like it is now. If you still was don't deposit funds, you just click in deposit, put the amount you want to deposit. The first time you deposit, the minimum is 250, just for you know. And here you can choose how you want to, with which kind of method you want to deposit the money inside of eToro. We have credit card, PayPal, rapid transfer, Neteller, wire transfer is mean a bank transfer, so forth, Skrill and Union Pay. I personally use PayPal and directly in dollar. When you please put money inside of eToro, always put it direct in dollars. Why? Even if you send money through your bank to eToro, say to the bank to send it in the account of eToro in dollars. Like this, you don't need to pay the 150 pips for exchange rate. It is really expensive inside of eToro. It's one of the stuff I don't like it from eToro. That is really expensive to exchange to USD to make this exchange rate. If you have more than $50,000 in the account, the exchange fee is for free and they give you back. So if you have 50,000 or more that want to invest, then it's perfect. You can use direct to euro and you can transform that in dollars without paying nothing. But if you make a transfer with less than that amount, it means that your account is less than 50,000, you are still not part of the club with more high amount of money inside of the account, it's better to always transfer in dollars. Like this, you save money. Trust me, it's a lot of money what you save by sending everything in dollars. I use especially PayPal. I send the money to my PayPal in dollars and then send to eToro. Like this is more easy also to put outside money and it's instantly. Okay, you just click here, put your data. I don't gonna show how to do that, but it's really simple. After that, you will come in here in your available account. Will come in here how much money do you have. But for now, if you still don't want to put money inside the account, it's everything fine. You don't need to do it now. First, you need to learning how to use it, the platform. So let's start. When you just start, even if you was don't put no €1, but I advise you that at least make the first deposit of 250, and I will explain you now in a short time why. But at the moment, let's go to as virtual account. You have one virtual portfolio, one account that you have with $100,000 that you can use it for practicing. So that's the first step. You go to the virtual. Now you are in your virtual account. I have a little bit more because I was trading the virtual account for practicing a little bit and show in the next videos how to use the demo account. Here, the first stuff, when you open, you have here your watch list, is the stock you want to follow. I will show you now in a moment how to use it. Your portfolio, where gonna be your operations, your orders, and your history of operations. Newsfeed is the social part of the eToro where you can look in post like in Facebook from other traders and popular investors. Then you have here trade markets, when you can see all the market available to trade that you after can choose someone and put in your playlist, in your watch list. Then we have copy people, where you can go directly and find popular investor, only popular investors there. You're gonna find there. So at the moment I'm still not there, but if everything go right next month, I will be there. If the market go to down, then probably I will not there again next month, because I will prefer to enter strong to the market and get profit before be a popular investor. Yeah. Then we have the invest in copy portfolio. It's basket of stocks or ETF or Forex or cryptos. It's just one basket of stock that Etoro himself take care of. It means it's all automated. You just need to click. It's like when you copy in somebody. Just copy the copy portfolio and you will have all in your account. Later we will specificate each part. Now just make a easy review, and then we start with the first one, with the watch list. And then you have the eToro Club, is what I told you before. Depends of how much money you have in your account, you will be part of one of the clubs. And also by increasing your amount of money, like trading and make good profit, you will also pass to the next levels of club. We have this bronze that don't give you nothing. Then you have the silver, the gold, platinum, platinum plus, and diamond. Like I say you, where is? Here you see discount or exception on exchange fees. It means when you transfer money to eToro, these fees that you need to pay by change euro to dollars, here you can have a discount, depends the level you are, or even at exemption. You will don't need to pay that fees, and can be available from the platinum, platinum plus, and diamond, only from that levels. And I show you now how you obtain the membership. Silver is 5,000, gold 10,000, platinum 25, platinum plus 50, and diamond 250,000. Okay, that's how much money you need in each account. You can invest in the beginning 5,000, and slowly how you increase your account, automatic will change your club membership. Okay, let's continue. That was the member. We wanna talking later again stronger about that, more deep in details. Here we have the invite friend. You can invite somebody of your friend with one referral link. You just send this to your friend and you can invite him. That's one way. Or you can give my link down below, like this. You will help me. You will support the channel like that. Then we have the help that you just click, gonna show you a small help, really doesn't need. Here you have the fees, Etoro professional account, market hours. You have a little bit of information. If you really are interested to go a little bit more deeply, you're gonna have also here information. Then you have a mini guide that just will help you step by step about the platform. Then here is for put outside the money, is withdraw. You just put here how much money you want to do withdraw, and the fee is $5. Doesn't matter how much amount of money you withdraw. So better to waiting and take a good amount for pay only $5. The minimum is 50 if I remember right. But now I think they changed to 30, so that's nice also to see. Then we have the settings where we can change our language, show which page you want to see first. I always put the watch list, your account's information I don't want to show, your trading, the notifications, if you want to change something about notification to come into your email or your phone, stuff like that. Okay, now let's start in detail with the first one, okay? And after, at the end of everything, we're gonna talking about your personal page. But let's start with the first, the watch list. What is a watch list and what we can do with it? In the watch list, already when you start your account will be one automatically there that you can change it. You're gonna have the stocks or the instruments really that you will willing to trade and have an eye on them. Example, here we have the SP500 that I put it because I like it and I always follow. Is the who follow the don't worry, in the next videos I'm gonna start explaining about the instrument you have it, but this is just an example for show you how to work this page because it's important you know also. So this is just the name of the market, the SP500, who just follow the best 500 companies of America. That's what it is. Here show you his change in movement in 1 day, in percentage, and how many points going down. Here show you in the graphic, you can switch to 1 week or 1 month or 1 day, okay? Then we have the sell button for selling, the buy button for buy. Sell is mean just going short, it's not mean close the operation, okay? It's just two different operations here. We will make a video about it also, so don't worry, everything gonna be explained perfectly. So you have here the two buttons, then you here have the 52 weeks range, is mean the movement he was doing in these last 12 months, the minimum and the maximum, and where is actual. Here you have the sentiment, is mean what thinking the investors inside of eToro. Remember this good. Exists also ways to look in what thinking the investor outside of eToro, is mean the big investor, but this here is the sentiment inside of eToro, is mean the 12 million person inside of eToro, what they are thinking, okay? At the moment you can see that they are more sellers than buyers, okay? That's it. You can here set a price alert or remove, that's our you wish. Now we can see him in this kind of view, or we can switch him to this. I think is horizontal view, really in quadrats, in boxes that you can see also. I really don't like too much like that because the information is not so comfortable. It's nice to have in other screen like this for faster buy and sell because you see better the numbers. It's really nice to have it to easy screen to buy and sell. But for looking the data, it's much better to look in this way. You can click in settings and you can put one-click trading. You can add that market. You can rearrange the market, this means moving them. You can launch pro chart, and if you click in launch pro chart, we open you a new page with all the charts of your playlist, just for you know, okay? That's what you can do it here. You can also filter and choose if you want to see only the currencies inside your watch list, the cryptos, commodities, index, stock, ETF, or people. Okay, here you will see your watch list together with the people or the copy portfolio you are following. So this is how is the watch list. Let's now try to add one instrument inside as watch list. And after try to delete them and arrange him. We're gonna try all this. Example, let's say we want to put here the Apple stock. So first of all, you click here in Apple, we find Apple, and then you see here this plus, just click in the plus, and automatic will be add to your playlist, your watch list, I'm sorry. So now let's try to move him. So it is like that. You click settings, rearrange, and now coming this X, you can choose him and moving him in the position you want to have it. That's it. Let's say now you want to delete that instrument. You go again here, where is the X, click, and you already deleted from your playlist. Then you click done, and everything is done. Like this is how working a watch list. Again, I say playlist, I always confuse the name. So the next, you can add a lot of watch list. I am today. Um, the watch list have a maximum, I think, around 20 instruments inside. So you need to have different watch lists. How you can see, I already have many. You just need to click in, create a new list. You already put here the name, like let's say a test stocks. You already create your list. And now that you are in your test stocks, you can just put inside the new instrument you want to watch. Example, let's say that you want now to follow me, not to copy me. That's we will talking later about that. Like just saying you want to follow my account. My account is Lion Bull Academy D. So it's the account that you can see all the operations I do it. You just click like this, you go Leon, and click also here. To me, don't gonna comment because I'm already me. So I cannot copy, but let's copy one other person just for, I don't know, let's put a name like, if somebody call like this one. Let's click on follow him. Now you are following him. When you following him, you can go clicking on him and you can see what he is doing. You can see his what he posted, his stats, his portfolio, what operation he have it. If you click in portfolio, you can see his history, what operation he closed, and his chart of how is going his account. Now let's look in mine for explain better. You can see this is mine. I just put here my name, Lion Bull Academy D, and welcome. Here you can have access to all the videos I always posted in 3 different languages. You can see my stats, how is going my account, the copiers I have it, the followers I have it, the risk I use actually, which operation I'm better and which one I'm worse, my profitability weeks, how much profitable I am, my draft down, maximum that I was have it, my portfolio, what I am buying. You can even click inside and see all the operations separately, and my chart. That's what you can see inside of the person you are following. Let's go back to us watch list. Now, if we want to delete that person that we are not more interested, click here and remove. And you can delete the people you are not more interested to follow. So, like this is how working a watch list. It's very useful, very important to have a lot of watch lists really with all. Please just put everything right, what is important to have it, what no. Now, because it's the first time, let's create the watch list perfect for beginners. So the first stock you need to have is the SPX 500. It's for follow the American market. Then you need to have the ETF of VOO and EVV. Are two ETF that exactly do the same movement that do the SP 500. It's very good to trade them or to just buy them for the long term or trade their daily. That depends of your way. But is the cheapest way to buy the SP 500. This means all the market American. Just keep this in mind. I just tell you now what you need. In future videos, now I'm gonna explain each one by one by one. But now we're just gonna create at least. I don't gonna go too much in detail. The next we need to have it is the DJ30. Then after the DIA, the Nasdaq 100, QQQ, TQQQ. Then we can have it just now depends on you, but I always follow. You need to have oil, USO, CL July is this is the oil spot and this is the future oil. Okay, just put it both. UNG and natural gas. This is both about natural gas. Then we can have Bitcoin if we want to follow also his price. XRP because I also I have a lot invested in XRP. Then GLD, that is the follow the gold movement. It's just a cheapest way to trade the gold. SPLV is also based on SP500, but this the low volatility. It means it's very stable ETF to trade. Then we have German 30 for follow the European market. I think till now the best for follow the European market is German. Then we have EWG for at least follow, not perfectly, but at least follow the German 30 cheapest way. UGA is the gasoline fund that still is not available in Etoro, but it's very nice to keep one eye on it. And this is don't need it. This is just my personal that I am like. Then, which else is nice to have it? Etoro team, like this you have the latest news about what's happening inside of Etoro. Is a must to have it in your. Then the dividend growth if you want to look in, and the China tech if you are interested. I really, because I'm interested now to look in the China market, and it's just nice to have it, these two ETF, these two copy portfolio for looking how it's going the China market. So that's exactly what you need for start. Let's now go looking other interesting. Let's go here, my Etoro book. I was open. Looks like not. Etoro book. I'm gonna show you what else you need to follow, because it's also very important to have it in the here. So very important to follow also. eToro team, like I was saying, volatility alerts is will you just take the example volatility alerts. You just go here and write in volatility alerts and copy. Like did you have okay copy follow. Like did you have here all the alerts about movements very strong or the market will automatically come in here in this A here. So that's very important, you have it also. Let's continue. You need also to follow eToro service, eToro Club, market updates. Matti Greenspan is one senior analyst of eToro, very nice to follow him. Johnny Asai is the CEO of eToro, and of course, Lion Bull Academy D, that it's me. That's the important persons you need to follow. Like this, you can have all the information you need for start study the markets and also be always in the latest news about eToro. So that was everything for today. Now you know what is a watch list, how to use it, and how to put more inside, how to delete instrument from inside, and how to follow people, not copy, follow. If you want to copy, you want to be in other videos. So that was everything for today. If you like the video, click the like button, comment down below you have some question about it, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.